Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your battery and how to jump a Yaris. This is a 2016 Toyota Yaris. So doesn't matter what year you have, if your car look like this, it's going to be the same procedure and how to change your battery. Alright, so you come to your car, your battery died. So you come to your car and your battery died. You want to get your key in here. Open the door like that. Come underneath here. Open the hood or the bonnet. And you want to come around here and go under there for this right here. So you want to push it this way. And it open like that. So you want to get this right here, connect this in here, and your hood should stay up. This is what after you pull from the inside, this is what still hold the hood from going up. So you want to pull this like this to lift it up. So your battery going to be over here. Your positive cable right here, so you take this off like that, connect your positive right here, connect your negative right here, and do the same thing for whatever car you're using to jump the car, or if you have a jumper. So that's how you jump it. So let's get into the video and start the process of changing the battery. And also guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, help me help you. So let's get this thing started. Alright guys, so the link will be in the description for all the tools I use. So this is a ratchet handle. So this is a ratchet handle. It will be in the description, and this will be the drill, and the ratchet handle will do the same work. So wherever you see me use this is just for me to spend less time on the job because I'm actually at work. But you can do the same job with these and get away. So what you want to do is squeeze this clip right here, squeeze this one right here, and lift up on this, both sides. So you can either squeeze this right here and remove that and get this out of the way, or you can just take the whole thing and put it out the way like that. Whichever way you choose, as long as you get it out of the way, they have more space to get these. And what you want to do is remove your negative cable, and it's going to be a 10 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter ratchet. So once you remove the cable now, go ahead and shake it back to back, take it off. If your cable is dirty, you can go ahead and clean it. This one is good, so I don't need to clean that. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the positive cable also. It's also 10 millimeter. Link will be in the description for that. So you want to hold the cable, twist it back and forth like this, and pull up at the same time. And that's going to come up like that. And go ahead and put that there. Take that out. Take that out. So this is gonna come off like this. You want to make sure you set this properly, because this is also what holds your prop rod right here. So you want to make sure you set this properly. So try to put it the same way or you take it off. All right. Doesn't come off like this. That's how it come off. So that's how you want to have it. So you want to make sure you put this back the same way you take it off. So this can go right here. So that's off. Now it's time to take the battery out. Go ahead and hold the battery. Pull the battery out. Go ahead and clean down here. There's a lot of stuff down there, so you can go ahead and clean down there. Alright, so you want to get your new battery. Take your time, put it in. And avoid bumping the mass airflow sensor. You don't want to mess up the mass airflow sensor. So avoid bumping into it, so take your time, put it in, alright? And make sure you're positive, go where your positive go. Your negative is where your negative should be. Alright? And this battery, it takes, say take it 35. But obviously it's not a 35 because this battery is much smaller than a 35. So I gotta go back and check the computer because that's what the computer tells me. So let's go ahead and check that. So guys, the 35 didn't work, even though that's what the computer says. So if you go to the store and you order the battery based on the computer, they're gonna give you 35, and the battery you need is a 47 series battery, which is this one right here. It goes in, it's perfect, everything line up and it's at the right thing, right? So this, now you want to make sure this is like this. Okay, so you can hook down there with a hook right here. So down there, if you look down there, there's a hole down there. So alright, focus, so right there. See that hole right there? Gotta get the hook in there. So you want to get your hooks in there and hold it right here. So you want to keep a little pressure on it. Get your 10mm nut. Wind it down all the way so it don't fall off. Get the other one, put it over here. And you want to make sure this is right here so you can lock that right there, okay? 10mm. Link will be in the description for all the tools I use. Positive cable. And 10mm. That's good. The negative cable. Alright, so that's good. You can go ahead and put this back right here. Lock that into place. This you can look back over there. This you just lock it back into place right here. And that's it. Double check your work, make sure everything is tight. And then let's go inside the car. And where I put the key. So you guys always tell me to make sure to crank the car after, and the car might lose its memory. You need to reprogram this and reprogram that. So now I have the key and I have the video, and I haven't cut the video, so now you see, crank it up, it's gonna cut off. Because what I should do, I should just wait till everything load up, but once it cut off and crank it up again, that's it. All these Toyotas do that. You crank it up the first time it cut off, you just crank it back right up. We can go over here and press setup. We can go to general, and we can go down to I'm trying to see if I can remember how to set the clock. So let's try that one more time. But yeah guys, that's all. Oh, the radio doesn't have a clock, but the speedometer have a clock. So right here you have H for hour and M for minute, and the time is right there. The time is now 3:43. So past that. So the time is 3:43. Let me double check to make sure it's 3:43. Okay, that's what it says. So I'm gonna put it at 3:44 because it's almost. So now it's 3:44. That's it, 3:44. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys staying safe out there. Wash your hands, mask up, and gloves up if you can. Peace out. See you next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out.